Did you know that nature has long been intertwined with the practice of witchcraft? For centuries, witches have drawn inspiration from the natural world, using its elements to enhance their rituals and spells. Take herbs, for example. Each plant carries its own unique energy and properties. Rosemary is known for protection, while lavender promotes peace and tranquility. But it's not just plants. The moon plays a crucial role too. Many witches align their practices with lunar phases, believing that the moon's energy can amplify their intentions. A full moon is a time for manifestation, while a new moon is perfect for setting new intentions. And let's not forget about the elements: earth, air, fire, and water. Each element represents different aspects of life and can be harnessed in spell work. Earth grounds us, air inspires creativity, fire ignites passion, and water brings emotional healing. Even animals hold significance in witchcraft. For instance, owls symbolize wisdom and intuition, while foxes represent cunning and adaptability. So, the next time you step outside, remember that nature is not just a backdrop. It's a powerful ally in the world of witchcraft, filled with secrets waiting to be discovered.